Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 10. Today we learn about dictionaries. Dictionaries store data as key-value pairs. Dictionaries map keys to values using curly braces. Get returns none instead of raising an error. Del removes keys in checks membership. Let us create dict_basics.py. Curly braces define key-value pairs. Each key maps to a value with a colon. Brackets retrieve the value for a key. Get returns none for missing keys. The second argument is a default value. Assigning to a key updates its value. A new key adds an entry to the dictionary. Del removes a key and its value. Len counts keys in checks membership. Dict creates a dictionary from keywords. Let us review and run the code. Get returned none, then n/a as default. Dictionary methods let you iterate and transform data. Items returns key-value tuples for looping. Comprehensions build dictionaries in one line. Let us create dict_methods.py. We start with a scores dictionary. Keys, values, and items return dictionary views. We wrap them in lists to see the contents. Looping over a dictionary gives each key. Items unpacks both key and value in the loop. Update merges another dictionary into this one. Pop removes a key and returns its value. Setdefault adds a key only if it is missing. Alice keeps 95 because setdefault does not overwrite. A comprehension builds a dictionary in one line. Let us review the code and run it. The high scores show Alice and Bob above 90. Let us build a contact book as our mini project. Each contact is a nested dictionary. In checks if a key exists. Let us create contact_book.py. An empty dictionary will store all contacts, while true keeps the program running until quit. The add command reads name, phone, and email. Each contact is stored as a nested dictionary. Search uses in to check if the name exists. We access nested values with bracket notation. List iterates with items to show all contacts. Delete checks existence before calling del. Quit prints the total count using len. Let us review the code with bat. Now we add Alice with her phone and email. Adding Bob creates a second entry. Searching Alice shows her nested phone and email. List displays both contacts using items. After deleting Bob, only Alice remains. Quit prints the total from len of the dictionary. Let us recap dictionaries. Curly braces create key-value pairs. Get safely accesses values without errors. Items, keys, and values help you loop. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we will explore functions.